another video, and in today's video we have another Air Jordan 1 pickup for you, and this time we have the Air Jordan 1 Mid in the royal blue laser orange colorway. Now I picked this up in the month of August, towards the end of the last week of August, and my apologies for getting this video out to you so late. I know I've had it for a month, but I really wanted to do this video and share my thoughts about this shoe. Now, without further ado, we'll talk about the shoe, but before we do that, let's take a quick look at the box. So, comes with the standard, this is the Air Jordan 1 Mid, so it comes with the standard typical black Air Jordan 1 box with the golden Jumpman logo. And we'll take a look at the size tag. The official name for this particular model is Air Jordan 1 Mid, and the official color is white / laser orange. There's no mention of royal blue, but it's still called royal blue / laser orange. I find that funny, but anyways, so this one retailed for 150 Canadian dollars, and I got this in the size 8. So I'll show you guys the size tag over here with the official colors. Inside the box, we'll take a look quickly. The receipt, I got this from the Nike store in Fairview Mall, and you have your standard Jordan tissue paper with 23 on it, the other pair of shoe, and there's no extra laces because this is not a special edition. So that's pretty much it for the box. We'll take this one out and leave it here so you guys can see while I'm talking about the shoe. Now let's move on to the shoe and let's take a closer look at the shoe. So here it is. As you guys can see, the predominant color is white, and again there's no mention of white again, which is ironical, but there's white, royal blue, laser orange in the back over here. Okay, so let's take a look at the bottom first, the outer sole. The outer sole is in a royal blue color, and I really dig that. And you have the midsole over here. It has an encapsulated air sole unit, which you can't see. Looking at the lateral side of the shoe, there is a swoosh in white. The panel over here, the mid panel, is in blue, which is in this nice kind of soft leather, which is the same here in the toe box area over here. As you can see, it's nice and plush. Not tumble leather, but it is definitely good quality. But in comparison to this leather over here, the leather on the side over here and here in the heel, and this portion, this panel over here, is plasticky, so it feels stiff, and that's kind of typical with your Air Jordan 1 Mids. It's only $150, so you can't expect much from that. But all in all, this is a solid pickup, and I really like it. So if you look at the front of the shoe, you can see there's white flat laces, and then the front tongue is in this nylon kind of material in royal blue. There is a Air Jordan 1 logo over here in laser orange and Air in red. Inside the shoe, if you take a look at the lining, you have this kind of racer red kind of colorway, and underneath that, if you take a look at the sockliner inside, you'll see that the insole is in royal blue and there's an orange Jumpman logo. So, and if we move on to the medial side of the shoe, it's pretty much the same, minus the Air Jordan logo, and in the back over here, as you can see, the panel over here is in laser orange, which kind of looks like a fluorescent orange. But yeah, all in all, I do dig this shoe a lot. I like this. I think Halloween's coming, so perfect for Halloween, and for people that like white sneakers, this is a good option in my opinion, because it has hits of blue and so many other colors, so it's not just white, and it won't go dirty easily. And the best part about it is the outer sole, which is in this royal blue colorway, and that's something I really dig. I think $150 is a very decent price, and if this shoe is still available in your country, wherever you're watching this video from, I would highly recommend you to pick up this shoe. And with that being said, I did pick this up from the Nike store, and if you have a Nike store close to you and if you still have this sitting, I would say go ahead and pull the trigger and definitely grab it. Now I'm gonna put this on feet and show you guys how it looks on feet, and then we'll come back and we'll talk a little bit more about the shoe before we end the video. So hope you guys like the on feet. Enjoy. So that brings us to the end of the video, and on feet these shoes definitely look dope, and they're easy to wear with a lot of match or wear with a lot of outfits. So I would definitely recommend you to get this pair, especially with the price point $150. It is affordable. If they're not available in your stores anymore, like in your local boutiques or the Nike store in your country, you can even try buying them on StockX or on some reseller websites. They're not going for a lot, so they're going close to retail. So it's something that you should be able to cop. And with Halloween around the corner, this will be perfect for that occasion as well. And besides that, I did pick up some more heat, which I want to show you guys really quickly. Yes, guys, I did manage to pick up for resale. This is not for retail. The AJ1 biohacks, and I'll be doing a video on these ones. And these are really dope and funky. And then I did pick up an AJ1 Mid special edition in the camo version, which is dope as well. And I'll be doing a video on this as well. With that being said, guys, Halloween's around the corner, but we have Thanksgiving, so I would like to wish all my viewers a happy Thanksgiving. Thanks so much for your support. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and wherever you guys are watching this video from, take care of yourself, guys. God bless, take care, and peace out.